Hi guys, and welcome to 102 Millbrook Road, Henderson, out West Auckland. Nice little complex, 9 one-bedroom townhouses, price point crazy for Auckland, 465 to 475. In a suburb, that median house price is 770 with 7.6% growth over the last 20 years per annum. We see this product at 6-7 o'clock max, in that it's got so many years ahead of it that it's not funny. It's brand new off the plan, you're going to get capital growth whilst it's being built. But you're basically buying the very first new housing in a very old location. However, the price of the old location has crept up to 770 as the median. And if you look at the quality of the existing accommodation in this area, you'd shake your head. So to be able to get in on the property ladder in this area for 465 to 475 is crazy. So there's only 9, there's only 2 left in this location, in this project, so we'll probably have it sold out over the coming weeks. So check it out. Check out all the detail on the website. In a location where economists are estimating that there's still 45,000 houses short, being Auckland. Pretty hard to argue with this. It's positive cash flow to the tune of $1,500 to $3,000 a year, which is another bonus because typically in a location like this, you'd be negative cash flow. But that price point, rent for new units, we think are getting underestimated in terms of what people will pay, but that's okay. So we're erring on the side of caution there. So West Auckland, pretty hard to beat with infill housing, which this is. So read up on the project and talk to one of our investment consultants today about any finer questions that you have. Cool, thank you.